Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed addition and subtraction word problems. In this video we will discuss some more addition and subtraction word problems. Today our topic is addition and subtraction word problems. There are 3 towns in a city. 250,000 people are living in town A. 375,645 people are living in town B. And 263,154 people are living in town C. What is the total population of the city? Find the difference between the population of town B and C. And if 65,000 more people come and settle in this city, what will be the total population? To get the total population of the city, we will add the population of town A, town B and town C. We start from units. In 0 units, we will add 5 units. In 0, if we add 5, we get 5. In 5, we will add 4 and we get 9. Now we will add tens. In 0, if we add 4, we get 4. In 4, we will add 5. In 4, if we add 5, we get 9. Now we will move towards hundreds. In 0, we will add 6. In 0, if we add 6, we get 6. In 6, if we add 1, we get 7. Now we will move towards thousands column. In thousands column there is 0 and 5. If we add 0 and 5, we get 5. In 5 we will add 3 and we get 8. In 10,000s column there is 5 and 7. Now students, add 5 and 7 and tell me the answer. If we add 5 and 7, we get 12. In 12 we will add 6 and we get 18. We will write 8 in 10,000s column and we will carry forward 1 to 100,000. Now we will add 100,000s. In 100,000s column there is 1 and 2. If we add 1 and 2, we get 3. In 3 we will add 3 and we get 6. In 6 we will add 2 and we get 8. Total population is 888,799. What is the difference between the population of town B and town C? Now we will subtract the population of town C from town B. We start from units. We have to subtract 4 units out of 5 units. If we subtract 4 from 5, we get 1. Now we will subtract tens. We have to take away 5 tens out of 4 tens. As we cannot take away 5 tens out of 4 tens, we take borrow from hundreds. And here we are left with 500s. Now we can easily subtract 5 tens out of 14 tens. Here we are left with 9 tens. Now we will subtract hundreds column. In hundreds column we have to take away 100 out of 500. If we take away 1 out of 5, we are left with 4. Now we will subtract thousands column. In thousands column there is 3. We have to take away 3,000 out of 5,000 and here we are left with 2,000s. Now we will subtract 6 10,000 out of 7 10,000s. If we subtract 6 out of 7, we are left with 1. Now we will move towards 100,000s. In 100,000s there is 2. We have to take away 200,000 out of 300,000 and here we are left with 100,000. The difference of population of town B and C is 112,491. If 65,000 more people come and settle in the city, what will be the total population? As the total population of town A, B and C is 888,799, we will add 50,000 in it. We start from units column. In 9, we will add 0 and we get 9. Now we will add tens. In 9, if we add 0, we get 9. Now we will move towards hundreds column. In 7, if we add 0, in any number, we get the same number. In thousands column, we have to add 0 and 8. In 8, if we add 0, we get the same number, that is 8. Now we will move towards 10,000s column. We have to add 8 and 5. In 8, if we add 5, what number we will get? We get 13. We write 3 in 10,000s column and we will carry forward 1 to 100,000s. Now we will add 100,000s column. In 100,000 we will add 8 and we get 9. If we add 50,000 more people, then the total population will be 938,799. In this video we have discussed addition and subtraction word problems. In the next video we will discuss some more addition and subtraction word problems. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.